Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Komisi benta ke Rakhe ya ke Olympic Day ke Bansalong Haka arpulai trek mutabna jilio arjar kendai. Keseng Meghalaya State Olympic Association kelarai ban pelong da ke jiko marathon ne ya ke balatep kum ke Shillong run. Ke 10 kilometer ke jingjengai Haka arpulai trek mutabna jilio arjar kendai. Working President jang ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association ubak John F. Karshieng Haka jingi keren bat kinong patai kubor Haka khanyo trek mutabna jilio arjar kendai. Ulai tu baka Meghalaya State Olympic Association kan sepelong ru ya kejing kop shot jabeng halor kejing tip kelum ya kejing la kai sport Haka ba on sai shimenta ki samla puli jong ki college ba per ki ba nak ni kanong ba Shillong ya ka ba on sepelong hapo Susotham Auditorium Shillong bat ya ka Shillong ran part on sedang na pelau jong ka State Central Library kat kum kejing tu jong new he nong yalam ka seng MSOA kan sadan ru ka kusnam da ka song pisa ka ban sa ai shikinong job ki be shimenta Haka Shillong ran.
Big day celebration they will not have Arpulai June. But since Arpulai June Sunday, total arrive at Pulong Yaka Olympic Day celebration Arpua on 22nd. Arpua on 22nd Daka Olympic Day run. Which will be the second Kanloka Jimare Awa. If you recall, last year we had the first 10K. And then tomorrow, which is 18, on the 18th we are having inter-college sports quiz competition. An inter-college. We hope that we have a number of colleges who have expressed interest in participating. It's a good sign that the colleges are interested in taking part in this competition, and both the inter-college sports quiz competition and the 10K city run, Shillong 10K city run, the second edition, will also have cash prizes, cash awards for the winners. And we hope we are very, very happy that the response is already very encouraging. There are almost till today almost about more than 100 almost 200, more than 200 participants, and a huge number of them are from the police and paramilitary. Also, they are taking part. So cash prizes for the 10K run are 10,000 for the first winner, 10,000, 7,000, 5,000, and there are also 5 consolation prizes.
We have talked with the Athletics Federation of India to make it more standardized. So this will take time, but this time we have also included 10 technical referees, timekeepers, who will note down the timings of all the winners, that is the male and female, first, second, third. And we hope that this run will be a standard run in the sense that it will be recognized by the Athletics Federation of India. So that is one. Number two, we have a route which is exactly 10K. We have done the Rakhe. This will start from, the flag off will be from State Central Library. It will cross a bit of Watts Lake, up Camelbacks Road, and then down the Chief Secretary's residence, down to South Shillong. And from there, it will continue through Damsenyong and up. You'll have to climb up MES, which is quite a long stretch, all the way to Rinja. Then from Rinja Bazaar, again go up to Bokse, through the main road, Bokse up to Nongthamai, and from Nongthamai come down the GS road all the way to Barik, and from Barik go around Civil Hospital and end at State Central Library. So this is 10K. And we will also have a small event for young children below 16 years. That is for kids and even old people can participate. It's a walk and a run for fun, which is within 3 kilometers. Again, that will also be flagged down from State Central Library, and we will cover a short distance of about 2.5 kilometers. Take a round around from State Central Library to Police Bazaar, roundabout, come back to DC office, a bit of Watts Lake, and come down around Governor's House, All India Radio, Lower Lashmere, come back the same way to Barrick and Civil Hospital Point and back to State Central Library. So that is the route in a nutshell, and we hope that this time, as you've heard, we've already had 200 participants. So all the participants will be getting t-shirts from the State Olympic Association. These t-shirts will be on a first come, first served basis. And we have many associations who are also volunteering in this run. And this is basically, this Olympic Day run is to celebrate the principles and values of the Olympic movement.